Okay, so in this video, part two, we're gonna get into Amazon Scout. So Amazon Scout is a Chrome extension. So it's installed in my Chrome browser. So when you go ahead and click on the Chrome extension, it's going to start grabbing all the information from the page about the particular item. So you're going to notice that the item that we're looking at is actually going to be the very first one right here. So here's the item, and if you click on the black little arrow right here, you're gonna have some options. You can add this to a tracker, so we can keep track of the product. There's a profit calculator, so we can, once we get some more information from our supplier, if we from the manufacturer, from Alibaba, if we know what the product cost is, so let's say the product cost is going to be, $10 to manufacture. So you kind of start putting in the numbers, and then the calculator would, pretty much tell us, you know, what the size and the weight of the product is, the size, how much is they're going to charge us for storing and packing the product when we send it to FBA, and then the total fee is $14, and then the profit per unit is going to be about $15. So the ROI, or the return on investment, is going to be in this amount, and then the estimated profit is about $2,000. So we can use this profit calculator to get an idea of how are the selling costs associated to it. You can also look at the product history. So you click here on the product history, and you're going to see in orange is the sales, right? So number of sales, and then the dark blue line is going to be the ranking of the product. So you see that the ranking has, gotten better, and it's gone back up, throughout, this year, because this product went live in May of 2020. So you see how the bestseller rank has been all over the place, and then it actually started to get better. And obviously, sales have also, become more frequent with this product. So we can get here the sales history for the products. You're getting about 5, 4, 7, 9. So you're getting some sales in the product. Now there's an option here where you can actually click, and it says find on Alibaba. Um, Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you might have to, use the same keywords and go to Alibaba and just Google, search and try to find a supplier, or try to find a product, something similar in Alibaba, and then we can, talk to the manufacturer. So there is a score here that says product score for private label. So, and that's what we want to do. We want to private label this product. So in this column, you want to look at, numbers that are in the green. So anything, starting with 7 all the way to 10 it's a good product for private labeling. So you want to look for products like that, like all these, 10, 9, 8. So these are some other products. But that we want to look for this number to be in the green, and that's going to help us to decide if it's a good product for private label. What else? You are also going to get the number of sellers. So you're going to see how many sellers are on that listing. So the less number, the better. But in our case, we'll be making our own listing, so that won't be too much of a worry. You get the rank, the BSR. You have the price on Amazon. You have the fees. This is the margin, so the profit margin percentage. So we want this to be, 50%. And you know, these are your estimated sales. So this is how many sales these products are getting. So we want to, you know, based on our criteria, you know, we want to get at least 150 sales. So we want to find products that are getting at least 150 sales a month. This is the estimated revenue, so that's how much this particular product is making, you know, every month. And these are the number of reviews. So obviously this number is too big. You know, we want to be able to compete with sellers who are, you know, have no more than 150 reviews on that product, and the product is doing well. And you can see the product here is very specific. You know, it tells you, you know, what is it made of, you know, high quality, you know, foam, you know, cotton. You know, these are things that we want to make sure that we know about the product, so that when we talk to the supplier, you know, we know what kind of materials that we want. This particular item looks to be like a bundle, so it comes with some accessories, a carry bag, it has a pillow. So, you know, we want to bring value to the customer, so we want to make sure that, you know, if we were to do something with an item like this, that we make sure that we include, you know, all these extras, like this, you know, stretch massage ball, these little rings, you know, massage rings. There's a mat, so it comes with a mat, so we want to make sure that, you know, we include that. And again, this is just an example, so you have an idea. But this is how you would take the information that's on this Google Doc, and then, you know, find a product in Amazon that is doing well using, you know, Amazon Scout, and then going to Alibaba and looking for the product. So in the next video, we'll look at another example.